I'm coming back from Ireland. Come on, children. I have got lots of things. Look and see. Oh. Oh my God! There is a leprechaun in my bag. Oh. Ah, I have to catch it. Where is it? Where is it? Maybe in my children's bag? No, it's not here. Oh my God. I had to catch it. Would you like to help me, please?
I need my laptop. Oh? Oh? What is this?
Shiny things. Shiny things. I want shiny things.
Okay, now we are going to play some games and I'm gonna take them from the cardboard. Oh dear! Is Piggy there? Piggy, what you doing in there? And what you doing with this little green creature there? Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm so scared. Maybe they are playing tricks on me. What do you think they are doing?
Hi, teacher. Yes, you are right. We are going to play some tricks on you.
Hello. We are going to sing a song. What is it?
This guitar looks very shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny.
Oh, what is it?
Shiny, shiny! I want shiny things, shiny things!
Hi, boys and girls. I was working in the computer and suddenly I discovered something. Someone, can you come with me? Look in the classroom library. What is this? Oh, something very special.
Coins, gold coins is all I want.
Hello guys! Good morning! I am a bit nervous because this morning I have found something strange inside the box. Look, look! What is it? I don't know.
Shiny, shiny. I love shiny.
I was in my class and look what I found in my card. What's this?
Shiny, shiny, shiny. I love shiny.
Oh my God, what is this? Yesterday, it not was here.
Gold coins. I want my gold coins. I want them.
Hello, boys and girls. I have a secret. Come with me. I'm very excited. Look at this.
I think in the box are shiny things. Shiny, shiny, shiny.
Okay kids, now it's time to play. We are going to get some games and we're playing, and these are the cards. Oh, what's that? It's unbelievable. Oh,
I think in the toys are shiny things. Shiny, shiny things.
It's broken. I am going to fix it. What is it?
I thought that in the printing machine there were some gold coins or shiny things. Shiny, shiny, shiny.
Good morning. Today
we are going to learn about Verda. Here, Joseph, Saint Joseph, Jesus, and oh my God! What is this?
I'm gonna steal some coins from the three kings. He 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 he.
Oh my God! What is it?
Gold coins, gold coins. I want my gold coins.
Today I have found this.
My shiny things, shiny, shiny things.
What is it?
I think I found something shiny in the trash.
Oh my God! What is it?
Shiny, shiny, I love shiny things.
Hi, I'm listening noises. What will be? Let's go to look. Someone's here. What is this?
I thought the gold coins were here in the yellow box. And they are not. I'm a little bit upset. But I will find them. I will keep looking in your Montgó school. I know you have them.